Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into Myntra and confirming you have the correct gift card code visible. Once done, add the products you want and make sure the cart meets any minimum value requirements that vouchers impose. Next, proceed to the cart and tap Checkout so the app can calculate eligibility. This early verification saves time because some vouchers exclude specific brands or sale items. Make sure your chosen items qualify before moving forward. At checkout, scroll to the payment section and find the Apply Voucher or Gift Card field. You should type the code exactly, caps, dashes, and spaces matter, and press Apply to see the discount or balance reduction instantly. If the gift card covers only part of the total, select the remaining payment method: debit/credit card, UPI, or Myntra wallet. Make sure to review the revised total and any shipping or tax adjustments before confirming to avoid surprises. Finally, review the order summary including delivery address and the final payable amount after the gift card application. Tap Place Order and note the order ID shown in the confirmation. You'll also get an email or SMS. If the voucher is rejected, check common issues: expired code, already redeemed, merchant exclusions, or minimum cart value not met, and then retry. If problems persist, contact Myntra support with your order ID and screenshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.